All right, let's keep it real. Let's keep it very real. It is pretty basic to achieve immediate results. In fact, you've probably lost 10 pounds on your own in the past, maybe 15, maybe even 20, but you've gained it back. And that is nothing to feel bad about because it happens to so many people. It also happens in other things. People trying to quit smoking, people trying to quit drinking, people trying to stop negative habits. But let's focus on losing the weight, getting your energy, getting healthier and happier. What is the main thing that all people that achieve immediate results have in common? Dun, 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 dun. They change their mindset. Now, I can completely relate to this because I struggled with addiction for almost a decade. Lots of rehabs, lots of uncomfortable situations, lots of programs. But basically, until I finally changed my mindset and my daily habits, I didn't change for the long term. Everything was temporary. But how do you change your mindset? Because perhaps you're not struggling with addiction. Perhaps you are struggling with keeping the weight off, keeping your energy up, sticking to a nutrition plan that keeps you healthy. Whatever it is, you have to change your mindset. How do you do it? Boom. Know that a strong mind is central to having a strong body and a strong life. What's a strong light? That's the energy and the intentions and that part of you can't see that's always there that you're sharing with whoever you're around, and that's light sharing. We'll talk more about that. But let's focus on the strong mind. In order to have long-term physical changes to your body and anything, in fact, you have to have mindset. And we're going to focus on a strong mind because here's the deal. Negative thinking and self-doubt have gotten your way. I know they've gotten my way, and don't feel bad about it. Negative thinking and self-doubt are what's preventing most people from achieving what they really want and for going for what they really want to go for. And that's what we want to overcome. Negative thinking and self-doubt is the reason you have not achieved your goal long-term yet. And it's what we're going to do. What are we going to do? Boom. We're going to block that out. We're going to cross it out. We're going to get rid of it. But how are we going to do that? All right. I call it the 3R technique. And I used it to overcome my own demons and my own challenges, my own struggles. I'm going to help you do the same with your health and happiness. Whenever you recognize, that's the first R, a negative thought, self-doubt, anything that makes you feel bad about yourself, recognize it. Next thing, replace it. But before you replace it, you got to release it. So let me go again. Recognize it, release it, replace it. And this is how I do it. Oh, there it is again. Me doubting that this video will be any good. Me doubting that anyone will care about it. I laugh at it a little bit. Yeah, not real. I release it with an exhale. You might think, oh, I'll never achieve this goal. I'll never lose the weight. It feels so oh, you laugh at it? That's negative thinking. Release it with an exhale, and then you replace it. And this is what you replace it with. I call them guidelights. It's your guidelight mantra. And this is your first mantra here. Today is a healthy success. I'm a healthy success. That's really as far as you need to go because that's a positive thought that will replace the negativity. If you want to take it further, go to I believe in myself. I believe in this program. I know I will thank myself. I know my body will thank me. I'm already changing. Only fill your mind with positive thoughts. Start shifting your identity to someone who achieves, someone who is healthy and happy, someone that has the results they want. At Life Fitness, we have 5 Gs. Besides our logo mantra, strong body, strong mind, strong light, we have 5 Gs, our core values. Grit. If you fall, get back up. If you stop, start again. Don't give up on what you're going for just because it's hard. Goodness. Be a person that has empathy, compassion, integrity, honesty, kindness, love. Be a good person. 3, growth. Don't settle and get stuck in stagnation. Go for growth at all times. If we're not growing, we're either sinking, dying, or basically wasting time. So growth is an important core value. Gratitude. I've learned this, and I want to share it with you. It is impossible to feel depressed, angry, mad, resentful with a belly full of gratitude, with a heart full of gratitude. So find something to be grateful for, focus on that and let that feeling overpower the negatives and greatness. Don't settle for good enough. We are all capable of greatness. We all have a potential that we can reach as long as we change our mindset. Strong body, strong mind, strong light. I'm Coach Tom. I'm super grateful that you watched this video. I'm going to give you a quiz on it. You can earn Life Lighter bucks. And I want you to really take it seriously. And if you're one of those people that are saying, oh, God, some more of that hocus pocus mumbo jumbo, I get it. I was that way too. However, I encourage you, try it for this 6-week process. And if it doesn't work, I will gladly refund your misery. Next episode of Mindset in week 2, we're going to talk about the power of light sharing and identity shifts. I'm Coach Tom, most grateful man on the planet, hoping that you have an awesome day, and I want to help you have an awesome life.